ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಹಾ ಹೇಳು, 3 blind mice ಹೇಳು.
3 blind mice. They all run.
ಏನಪ್ಪ, see how they run.
See how they run. They all run after a farmer find. Who cut off their tails whenever you see.
Carving with a carving knife.
With a carving knife. Whenever you see.
Did ever.
Did ever see such a thing in your life? Such a thing in your life. 3 blind mice.
Little Betty Blue.
Little Betty Blue lost her holiday shoe. What can little Betty do? Another
Give her another.
Give her another, batch the other. She may walk into.
Correct. Pumpkin.
A pumpkin.
Peter.
Pumpkin eat.
Peter.
Peter pumpkin eater had a wife, could not keep locked in a pumpkin shed. There he kept it very well.
Very good.
There he kept it very well.
Very good. हाँ संगीता डांस पढ़नी सुन लो वाह
Dance
इल्ले